Dear students, welcome back. So, as you must have guessed, that this class I am recording at our school, and that is also in class 10th A. And today we are going to practice a few more questions from circumference and area of a circle. So the first question for the day it is like this. You see, there is a quarter circle. And this point is A, this is B, this is O. There is a point on the circumference that is C, and there is a straight line BD like this. Now this OACB is a quadrant of a circle, and the radius is given 3.5 centimeters. This is given 3.5 centimeters. Okay, and now you have to find the area of the shaded part, means this part. This is the shaded part. So you have to find the area of the shaded part when it is given that the length OD is 2 centimeters. The length OD is given 2 centimeters. Now, to find the area of the shaded part, we should subtract the area of the triangle BOD from the area of the entire quadrant. I repeat, to find the area of the shaded part, we should subtract the area of triangle BOD from the area of the quadrant. So, area of the shaded part is equal to the area of the quadrant, you know, it is nothing but pi r square by 4, and area of the triangle BOD will be half into base, the base is BO, into height, the height will be OD. So that is area of triangle BOD. Now put pi is equal to 22 by 7. Put r is equal to 3.5, that is 7 by 2, you know. The radius is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, and then 1 upon 4, because it is pi r square by 4, minus half BO. BO is 3.5, that is 7 by 2, and OD is 2. Okay, so we have put the values. Now you see, this 7 and this 7 is cancelled, and we can cancel this 22 by 2, so it is 77 upon 8. 11 into 7 is 77, 4 into 2 is 8, minus, here also we can cancel 1, 2, so it is 7 upon 2. Okay, it is 7 upon 2. Now what we do, take 8 LCM, then it is 77 minus 28. Now 77 minus 28 is 49. So 49 by 8 is your answer. That is 6 whole 1 upon 8 centimeter square will be your answer. That is the area of the shaded part. Clear? Now the next question. Next question. Next question says that again there is a quadrant of a circle ABC and we join BC. Now taking BC as the diameter, we have drawn a semicircle. I repeat, taking BC as the diameter, we have drawn a semicircle, and now you have to find the area of this shaded part. You have to find the area of this shaded part. Now, the values that are given here, the radius of the quadrant of the circle is 14 centimeter. So this is given 14 centimeter, and this is given 14 centimeter, and that's all. It's given 14 centimeter. You just have to find the area of the shaded region. Now all of you pay attention. To find the area of shaded part, area of triangle ABC plus area of semicircle minus area of quadrant. Now see, to find the area of the shaded part, first in the area of the triangle, if you add the area of semicircle, then it will be the whole area, and then subtract the area of the quadrant because it is not shaded. So if you subtract that, you will get the area of the shaded part. Now area of the triangle, that is half base into height. So half, the base is 14 and the height is also 14, because if this is 14, this will also be 14. Now to find the area of semicircle, you know that the area of a semicircle is pi r square by 2, and to find the area of the quadrant, you know that area of a quadrant is pi r square by 4. So 1 upon 4 into 22 by 7, that is pi, and the radius of the quadrant is 14, so into 14 into 14. Okay, now only we have to put the radius of the semicircle. Now what we do, we cancel it by 2, so 98 plus 1 upon 2 into 22 by 7. And now all of you pay attention. If the radius of the semicircle is r, then this is also r, so this whole length is 2r. Now if you apply Pythagoras over here, 14 square plus 14 square is equal to 2r whole square, because AC is 14, AB is 14 and BC is 2r. So we can write 14 square plus 14 square plus 2r whole square. Now 196 plus 196 is equal to 4r. So r square will be equal to 2 times 196 upon 4. So you cancel it by 2, then again by 2, 98. So you can see r square is coming out to be 98. So directly you write down 98 over here, minus, now see, this is 7 to the 14. So 14 into 11, that is 154. So you write down 154 here. Now you cancel it by 2, and 14 into 11 again 154 minus 154, this cancels. So we are left with 98 centimeters square, and that is your answer. The area of the shaded part is 98 centimeter square. Clear? Now, the next question. In the next question, there is a circle and AB and CD are the diameters. AB and CD are the diameters. O is the center. Now we have joined BC, we have joined AC, and another circle with OD as a diameter is also drawn like this. Taking OB as a diameter, another circle is drawn. Now this area is shaded. So you have to find the area of the shaded part when it is given that the length OA is given 7 cm. This length OA is 7 cm. That means this will also be 7 cm and this will also be 7 cm. Clear? Now, see, to find the area of the shaded part, first of all, you find the area of this semicircle. From this area, from this semicircle, you subtract the area of the triangle. Then you will get the area of this shaded part. And in that you add the area of this smaller circle. Then you will get the entire shaded area of the shaded. So, area of the shaded part, area of the shaded part will be equal to area of semicircle ACB minus area of triangle ABC plus area of smaller circle. Okay. So, from the area of the semicircle, you subtract the area of triangle, then you will get the area of this shaded part, and in that area, you add the area of this smaller circle. Okay? So, now what we do? Area of the semicircle, that is pi r square by 2, so 22 by 7 into 1 upon 2 into, this is triangle ABC, so area will be half, this is pi and half r square. The radius of the semicircle is 7 cm, so 7 into 7. Now from that you subtract the area of triangle, so half, base will be 14, this whole, this is 14 and this is the height 7. So 14 into 7. It was given that the two diameters are at right angles. So half base into height. So half into 14 into 7 is the area of the triangle. And from this area, in this area you add the area of this semicircle, the full circle, smaller full circle. So pi r square. Now here the diameter is 7. So the radius will be 7 upon 2. So you write down 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Now you see this 7 cancels out. 2, 11. 11 into 7 is 77 minus 49 plus, you cancel this 7, 11, so 77 upon 2. Okay, now 77 minus 49 will be 28 plus 77 upon 2. So you take 2 LCM and it is 56 plus 77. Now 56 plus 77, 133 upon 2 centimeter square is the area of the shaded part, and that is your answer. You can leave your answer in fractions or you can convert it into decimals also. Clear? Now we will do one more question. In the next question, there is a square of side 14 centimeter. There is a square ABCD of side 14 centimeter, and there are 4 circles drawn at the 4 corners of the square, and the circles are touching each other. So you have to find the area of the shaded part. Area of the shaded part. Now the side of the square is given 14 centimeter. Then it is very clear that the radius of each circle will be 7 centimeter. Now to find the area of the shaded part, you have to find the area of the square first, and now from the area of the square you have to subtract the area of 4 quadrants. Now 4 quadrants of a circle together makes one complete circle. So that means from the area of the square you have to subtract the area of circle. So area of shaded part will be equal to area of square minus area of the circle. Now area of square, you know it is side square, so 14 square, and area of the circle it is pi r square, so 22 by 7, and r square, that is 7 into 7. I told you that the radius of each circle will be 7 centimeter. Now you see, when I solve it, (42 centimeters square). So the area of the shaded part will be 42 centimeter square. Clear? So in the next class we will continue with few more questions on this topic.